last time we talked, Mr. Smith, you reduced me to tears. I promise you, it won't happen again.
You are trying to ruin things to make my pretty smile. Am I too dirty? Am I too flirty? Do I like what you like? I could be wholesome, I could be loathsome, I can sound a little bit shy. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me without making me try? I try to be like Red Candy. Gonna do looks with you smile. So I tried a little pretty. I'm gonna take it. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be fire, let's try. Gotta be everything more. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like? Why don't you walk out the door? How can I help you? How can I help you? How can I help what you think? Hello my baby, hello my baby, in my life and your brain. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me? Why don't you like yourself? Should I bet I wish you feel the cold that you would put on yourself? I should be like that Kelly. Gotta do looks with you sad. You're trying a little pretty. I'm gonna let it be. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be purple, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. Gotta be green, I gotta be mean, I gotta be everything more. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like? Why don't you walk out the door? Say what you want to satisfy yourself, but you only want what everybody else say you should want. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be purple, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. Gotta be green, I gotta be mean, I gotta be everything more. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me? Walk out the door. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet